Good morning. I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. I'm out of breath from walking from my bedroom to here. I don't even understand. I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me at Dollar Tree today. I don't know if we're gonna do like a car haul or not. We'll just kind of see. But yeah, let's go see what's happening at Dollar Tree, see if there's anything new, see if any of my favorite stuff have restocked. So let's go. We're here. Let's see what they have. This isn't my favorite store, but we'll see. I forgot that it's Valentine's Day today. I completely forgot about that. That's cute. We'll get that. They have these books, and I'm thinking of putting them in the.
Nope, I'm here till 1.
Love the yellow bag. They also have these colors too. I'm thinking about grabbing some red ones. Let's grab 3 of the red. Oh, this is cute. I haven't seen that before. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. This would be really pretty for Beauty and the Beast. Blue hearts, I've been looking for these. So, those. Completely forgot about these. So cute. I love the mailbox. Check out the soap. See what they have. I love the dialed gold soap, but I guess they don't have it. What is this? Oh, I'm getting these. on Pinocchio. So I'll get that too. Hansel and Gretel, I have that. I don't think I have that. That's cute. Cute little fairy. Fancy Nancy. I wasn't actually planning on doing a haul in the car, but I'm gonna show you guys one bag out of the 4 that I got. So whatever's in here is what I'm gonna show, and the rest of it I will show in tomorrow's haul. So I had to put some books in this bag. I did kind of sneak these straight into this bag because I was so shocked to find these. So this is the Reign of Serpents, and it's actually one of 4. There's Legacy of Kings, Empire of Dust, and then Dawn of Legends. And unfortunately I didn't find those, but I did find this. This basically says a prince will rise to power or madness, and a princess will become a queen, and blood magic will rule them all. So I really like the sound of this. I'm starting like a whole new like fantasy section in my composition notebook that I hold from Dollar Tree, where I keep like a book log of all the books I read. I rate them. So if you haven't seen that, it's on my vlog channel. I'll try to like link a video down below where I've like plugged into it. But then I found this book, which has this little yellow flag because it's a hard case crime book. I'm collecting these from Dollar Tree, and I found a new one. So this one is by Gregory McDonald, and best-selling author of Fletch. He wrote Fletch, like the movies with Chevy Chase. Anyways, this is called Snatch, and yeah, I love how it kind of has like a retro 50s, 60s vibes to the covers of these. So I'm really happy that I have another book to add to my collection. I did pick up these little rhinestone hearts. I've actually been looking for them. This isn't a checklist video, and these haven't been put on a checklist, but in my head I've been searching for these, so I can, I guess, cross them off mentally. But I picked up the red, the yellow. I also picked up blue. So the blue ones are in here as well. I also picked up pink. I don't know if they're in this bag. Also in this bag is this beautiful garland, like, yeah, carrot, don't even know what I'm saying. Carrot garland for Easter, and it is so pretty. I have to say, of everything that I saw for Easter today, which I do have a jackpot of, and you guys will see that tomorrow, this is probably one of the best Easters I've seen at Dollar Tree in a really long time, if not like the best. I also picked up these flashcards, which I've picked up before, but I wanted these specifically with Elmo because the cards are yellow, and I'm looking for like yellow pieces. So for my junk journal, so I got those. All right, then I did pick up these red roses. The moment I saw them, I instantly knew that it like made me want to do a Beauty and the Beast like junk journal, or maybe like a Disney princess junk journal, and then I'll have like a page where it's like Beauty and the Beast. So I had to get these. They're absolutely gorgeous. I did pick up these 2 Easter coloring books. Another thing I love about Dollar Tree is like they'll give us a bunch of stuff for seasonal things, and it's really nice, you know, because you can create a whole Easter basket from things at Dollar Tree. I completely forgot, like I said in the video, I forgot it's Valentine's Day today, literally. And so all of Valentine's Day is kind of off the shelves, and they're moving into Easter, and they had a whole aisle of things to put in an Easter basket. So I feel like Dollar Tree has gotten really smart about like how they set up their stores and sections. It's just really good in my opinion. All right, I also picked up these jumbo playing cards. These are the Disney. They have a bunch of these. I just decided to go for Disney, and like, look at her. Marie from Aristocats, she is so freaking cute. I love that this is a mix. I'm still on the hunt for the regular jumbo cards, and I have yet to find them, so I'm probably buying them all out in these stores, so they just haven't been restocked yet. But yeah, hold on, let me see if I can't get these out. Oh, I've definitely hauled these before, so yeah, they're super cute. I just use them for the material, and then I just cover them up. If you guys like follow me on my junk journal stuff, you've seen me do that. So I found that, and then this was actually on my mind last night, and I told myself, I was like, I need to find the mini Uno cards, and I did. So I picked up 3 packs of these. Like, how cute is that? And then I found the most adorable little mini journal. This is from, I don't know what brand this is, but look at the inside with the cherries and the strawberries. That is so cute. And from a junk journaling perspective, you can take apart this cover and use it in your junk journal. You can also tear out these sheets and use it in your junk journal. So that's what I'm going to be doing with it. And the last couple of things, which this reminds me of, what's that blind stuff with the food? There's like a name for it, and I think it sells out at Walmart, but this is called Totally Tiny. It's series 1, and yeah, it's like mini little foods, and you collect them all. It actually has the Dollar Tree logo, so that is so crazy that Dollar Tree is trying to be competitive with mini brands. That's what it's called, mini brands. So I'm gonna open these up and we'll see what we find in here. All right, looks like we got the taco, and I don't know what that is, if I'm being honest, you guys. Is that churros? Am I saying that wrong? I don't know. But all right, so we got that. Let's open up the next one. I'm just gonna give these to my niece if you're wondering. Okay, we got a dupe. That's like what you get with these blind bags. You never know, you know, what you're gonna get. I think that's like the exciting part, is like opening up and collecting. Okay, we got the buttered toast and the eggs. That is so cute. It looks like all that's to the collection is this. We have one more bag. Let's see if we get the middle, but take your guesses now before I open. And another taco. So anyways, I'm just gonna like let my niece have those. She plays with them when she sets up like her little towns of Barbies and dolls, and it's like their food that they eat. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's on the shorter side, but if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know, and I will do more styles like these for you guys. Also, if you have something that you want from me from a Dollar Tree perspective, comment and let me know. So right now I do like my traditional hauls, I do my checklist videos, little shop with me's. Is there anything else that you would like to see that's Dollar Tree related? But that's actually, I'm thinking about doing my top 20, my top 10 favorites. So that's coming soon. Let me know if you want like the color themes back from Dollar Tree, or you want like basket DIYs. I don't know. Comment, let me know what you want. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.